When people envision living a frugal life, they often think of squeezing every last penny out of their pocket. However, that's not entirely accurate. In reality, living frugally means embracing a simple lifestyle and prioritizing your time and money according to what truly matters to you. It's not about compromising your values or settling for lesser quality just to save money. The great thing about frugal living is that it allows you to tailor your approach to your own preferences. You have the freedom to decide where you want to cut back and be thrifty, and where you are willing to indulge a bit more. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. So, are you ready to give frugal living a try? In today's video, we'll be sharing 12 practical tips to help you get started on your frugal journey. Number 1. Budgeting. While it may not sound particularly exciting or effortless, creating and adhering to a budget is an essential component of achieving financial success. In fact, it's one of the most valuable and impactful frugal tips available. A budget serves numerous beneficial purposes. Firstly, it provides structure to your spending habits, ensuring that you allocate your funds according to your priorities. It allows you to consciously decide where your money goes, enabling you to focus on the things that truly matter to you, while eliminating unnecessary expenses. However, adhering to a budget doesn't mean you can't indulge in the things you enjoy. In fact, a budget empowers you to save for those guilty pleasures in advance. Whether it's treating yourself to a stylish pair of shoes or going out with friends, you can allocate a portion of your budget specifically for these occasional indulgences. Fortunately, there are plenty of free online tools available that can automate and simplify the budgeting process, assisting you in achieving your financial goals. These tools can be indispensable resources on your frugal journey. Number 2. The wait 24 hours rule. Thanks to the convenience of e-commerce, impulse buying has become more prevalent than ever. That's why it's crucial to adopt the 24-hour rule when making online purchases. Online platforms offer an extensive range of products accessible with just a click, tempting us to engage in late-night shopping sprees that can drain our finances. By implementing the 24-hour rule, you allow yourself time to reconsider your purchase decisions. Regardless of the online store, it's advisable to leave items in your cart for 24 hours before proceeding to the checkout. An added benefit of this practice is that many retailers may send you a coupon code for the items you left in your cart, enticing you to complete the purchase. Number 3. Shop no-name brands. Whether you're shopping for clothes or groceries, it's important to shift your focus from brand names and prioritize value in products. Just because an item is available for purchase doesn't mean it's the best choice for you. Embrace the habit of buying generic or store brands as a general rule, and reserve brand name purchases for when you have a coupon or are confident in their value. As you strive to save money, take the time to identify the brands that you can do without, whether it's a temporary adjustment or a permanent decision. This mindset shift can significantly contribute to your savings goals. Number 4. Shop clearance. I don't mean to label you as a cheapskate, just because you prefer shopping in the clearance section. Following the rule of never pay full price is actually a smart strategy for embracing a frugal lifestyle. Whether you're shopping online or at a local store, it's always worth checking the clearance section first. You might come across fantastic deals, particularly on groceries, which can often be pricey. Additionally, make sure to utilize any available coupons to maximize your savings. These small steps can make a significant difference in your financial journey. Number 5. Automate your savings and investments. Adopting a frugal lifestyle doesn't mean constantly obsessing over money. Once you've established your spending goals, it becomes crucial to automate them. Without automation, there's a risk of being pulled back into the pit of overspending. By automating various aspects such as bills, savings, funds, and financial transactions, you free up mental space that would otherwise be occupied by money-related concerns. Number 6. Buy in bulk. Contrary to what one might expect from a frugal perspective, buying in bulk can actually lead to significant savings in the long run. Let's take a closer look. Imagine stumbling upon a fantastic deal at your local butcher shop with discounted meat. It would be wise to take advantage of the opportunity by having the butcher slice the meat into smaller portions and package them for you, ready to be stored in your freezer. This approach proves to be more cost-effective compared to buying individually cut pieces. Furthermore, when it comes to frequently used items like toiletries and groceries, purchasing them in bulk can often result in a lower price per unit. So, if you find yourself frequently using certain products, it's worth considering buying them in larger quantities to take advantage of the reduced unit price. However, it's important to note that if you do purchase perishable goods in bulk, it's wise to cook and freeze them to prevent any wastage. This way, you can extend their shelf life and make the most of your bulk purchases without incurring unnecessary losses. Number 7. Evaluate your subscriptions. Many of us find ourselves trapped in the cycle of unnecessary subscriptions. It's time to break free from this pattern. The most effective approach is to carefully review each subscription and assess its value to you. If a subscription serves you less than 60% of the time, it's best to remove it from your list. Moreover, it's important to avoid having multiple subscriptions for similar services, such as Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus, just because each one offers a favorite show. Prioritizing your needs and letting go of everything else is crucial. According to a survey, people unknowingly spend around $100 per month on unnecessary subscriptions. Over the course of a year, that amounts to a staggering sum of $1,200. Imagine the potential of redirecting that money towards your emergency savings or allocating it for other essential expenses. Number 8. Avoid credit card debt. Let's start with the most important principle. Only consider using credit cards if you have the means to settle the full payment. While credit cards can be advantageous tools, offering enticing cashback rewards and gift card options, it's crucial to avoid falling into the trap of credit card debt. The interest rates associated with these cards tend to be high, making it alarmingly easy for debt to accumulate. If you choose to utilize a credit card, it is imperative that you pay off the entire balance every month. In cases where paying in full is not feasible, it is advisable to refrain from using the credit card altogether. Embracing a frugal lifestyle necessitates the avoidance of credit card debt at any cost, ensuring that you can allocate those additional funds towards savings instead. Number 9. Sell things you don't need. Most of us are guilty of keeping clutter we don't need. Even clothing that we may not have worn for a whole year could be stashed up in the closet. Whether you've amassed an oversized collection of designer shoes, have tons of items you've outgrown, or have an overflowing collection of best reads, it might be time to let it go. How about you turn that clutter into cash? There are plenty of places to sell online, such as the Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Number 10. Walk or bike when you can. While it may not initially sound appealing, particularly when the thought of arriving at the office sweaty comes to mind, there are compelling reasons to consider alternative modes of transportation. While owning an affordable car is advantageous, opting for walking or biking can be even more cost-effective. Whenever possible, take the opportunity to bike or walk for short errands to nearby stores. Not only will you save money on gas, but you'll also benefit from some refreshing exercise. Number 11. Do meal preps. Utilizing your weekends to cook in large quantities and engage in meal prepping can greatly benefit your frugal lifestyle. By doing so, you'll have convenient and ready-to-eat meals at your disposal, whether it's packing lunch for work or enjoying a hassle-free dinner after a tiring day. Not only does this approach save you money by steering clear of fast food temptations, but it also offers the convenience of simply retrieving your frozen meals and reheating them. You might even discover that you actually enjoy cooking when it doesn't have to be a daily chore. And number 12. Grow your own vegetables. Vegans have an advantage in terms of saving money, since they avoid spending on costly items like meat, chicken, or fish. Even if you're not considering a full vegan lifestyle, reducing your consumption of these expensive proteins can still help you save. Consider incorporating more affordable and healthy alternatives like beans and grains into your meals. Another frugal option is to try growing your own vegetables, which can be successfully done indoors, whether you live in an apartment or have a yard. Cultivating your own vegetables and herbs not only provides cost savings, but also adds a fun and unique aspect to your frugal living journey. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.